Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. T, a tech trainer and career coach, and I help professionals transition to tech by leveraging their existing skills and abilities. Today, we are talking about AI governance and specifically an AI governance career path. So, we're looking at the journey that could get you from a GRC analyst within AI to a chief AI officer. So we're walking through the foundational roles that builds both technical literacy and ethical awareness that lead to that ultimate position of chief AI officer. The entry point is typically a junior AI governance analyst. And as you see here, that role is responsible for supporting uh, bias audits, for tracking compliance, and monitoring AI outputs for anomalies. The role requires research and documentation skills, basic AI and machine learning literacy, and familiarity with GDPR and other governance frameworks. The average salary for the role, and this will vary based on region and country of origin, but somewhere between 70,000 and 90,000. And professionals usually spend about 1 to 2 years from here before they start advancing. Next, we can look at the AI governance specialist role. Here's where you start to develop governance frameworks for the organization. You start mapping the organization's business operations, their mission, their vision to the various frameworks, and you start conducting bias testing here. You collaborate with more teams. You're looking at working with legal and potentially data teams, and the role just demands a deeper policy development skill set. You'll be involved in fairness assessments and that cross team functional collaboration. This role has an average salary of about 95,000 to 130,000, and these specialists typically hold somewhere between uh, an advanced degree or more experience. The organization themselves will determine, if a degree maps out against the years of experience that they're looking for someone to advance to this role. Individuals typically spend about 2 to 3 years here just refining their expertise and getting that knowledge and those skills built up. Then you start moving toward more operational experience. And so you would transition to something like a project manager role where you're focused on the AI lifecycle. You're looking at the initiatives, you're helping to manage the team's progress toward those initiatives and those AI goals, and you're ensuring that ethical compliance is adhered to throughout the life cycle. Key skills are agile project management, stakeholder communication, and ethical foresight. And salaries range from 125,000 to 150,000, with senior project managers earning up to 180,000. Folks spend about 2 to 3 years in this role before they start scaling up to potentially an AI program manager role. Here, you'll oversee multiple AI projects under a unified strategy, and the role involves managing your budgets more effectively, working with KPIs, and working with governance boards, requiring you to have more strategic planning, more portfolio management level experience, and having that refined regulatory fluency. Salaries within this position range between 140,000 to 190,000, with some elite firms offering AI program managers up to 276,000. But that program manager is expected to have 7 to 10 years of experience and spend about 3 to 4 years in the role. From there, professionals ascend to a director of AI governance. That's a leadership role, and it's focused on aligning enterprise wide AI strategy with ethical and legal standards. Directors lead governance programs. They may represent the organization in external forums and manage risk across departments. So the role demands advanced leadership skills, policy advocacy, and keen risk management skills. Salaries range from 150,000 to 250,000. Some directors often hold Juris Doctorates or PhD or some equivalent level of credentials. And they spend about 3 to 5 years in this position. And then they ascend to the top of the ladder. Right now, the top of the ladder in AI governance is the Chief AI Officer. This person sets the strategic vision for responsible AI across the organization. The responsibility includes overseeing governance, innovation, public engagement, and ensuring that AI systems are ethical, inclusive, and aligned with the business goals. This role requires executive leadership skills, deep AI strategy expertise, and the ability to build public trust. Salaries typically start at about $220,000 and can exceed $350,000, depending on the organization's scale and impact. And time in this role varies as it represents the culmination of a career in AI governance. So I hope you see that there is a clear path. There are various roles that you can come into this governance realm in based on your current experience, your current credentials. But there is a path, a clear path. And we hope that you will continue to build your knowledge base here, understanding the key terminology, understanding the key certifications, understanding the key dilemmas that are out there within the AI governance space, and begin to build your plan toward uh, transitioning to an AI governance role. We're certainly here to help, and we ask that you continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.